Hello guys, this is a quick unbox of my EOS R50. It's finally here. I'm pretty excited to unbox this one. Okay, so it comes with the lens, RFS 18-45mm, f4.5 to 6.3, okay? With the stabilization, IS, STM kit, comes with the camera, of course. So here we go, let me just unbox it and see what I have inside. So here at first, a lot of paperwork. Canon always send the manuals and everything that I need. So I have everything here. I'm just remove from this plastic bag. So here we go. We have all the paperwork, all the information that usually comes with the cameras. And let me just put this aside. And here's the menu in different languages, which is pretty good. And here you can register your product, of course, for warranty and stuff like this, right? Let's just unbox and see the product itself. So here first I see a charger. Okay, basically the charger for the camera with the LEDs. Pretty nice. And here the camera's body. Camera body here, pretty good. Oh, I got in this color, guys. You see it? I got the white one. See how nice it is? It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so here I have it. Oh, my new camera. Pretty good. And it's pretty light, very light, you see? And I like that because I'm gonna use it on tripod, I'm gonna use it on sliders, so I like that's pretty light like this, right? So here I have the camera, and then straps, the camera, of course. Can always send straps, so you can use with your camera. And here we go, straps. And what is missing here, the lens, of course. I think will be here. Okay, this side I can release it. And here we go. The lens matches the camera's color, you see. So we're gonna have it here like this. Pretty nice. So my first white camera. What else I have here? And finally the battery, right? So I have it here. Let me just remove it from this plastic bag as well. A small battery for this Canon camera. What is this? Just a protection for the battery. So I don't need it. And let me just remove this box from here. Nothing here. So basically camera, strap, lens, and the charger, right? What I just can use here, put in place like this, and ready to go, ready to charge, okay? So I have everything that I need here, and I'm gonna have my camera working in no time, okay? It's just a quick unbox, and I hope you like it.